on, cold rollers? This is Powerstroke Boy coming back at you. We're back at the house. It's another Saturday. Welcome back. If you haven't joined the channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, just click on those thumbs up. Alright guys, so we're going to continue on the block today, the 7.3 Powerstroke. Let's see how far we could get along today and see what we could do so that way we could take this bad boy over to the machine shop. So stand by and here we go. So we got the harmonic balancer out. I also went ahead and removed the front cover, the timing cover, as well as the oil heat exchanger. Everything was looking pretty good. However, I noticed that one of the gaskets on the heat exchanger, the ones that go against the block itself, one of them was a little bit faulty. So I'm kind of guessing that's probably why I had the water mixed in with the oil on that engine. So yeah, little by little, trying to do some progress, and everything seems to be looking all right. All the bearings look great. All the pistons, the rods, they look perfect. All the journals, they look great too. So now I'm gonna continue to try to see if I gotta remove the flywheel. Unfortunately, I do have the engine is on the stand, and it was put on there while the flywheel was still there. So I'm gonna give it my bestest to see if I can remove it that way. If not, it'll have to be for another occasion where I could, you know, pull her out of the stand and you know, remove that so that way I could continue on. But basically, my goal is to hopefully remove the crankshaft. If I could remove the crankshaft, that would be one step forward to getting closer to the machine shop. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get that block Magnaflux to make sure that there's no stress cracks or anything like that, especially since we're going to be doing a pretty hefty build, and you know, you want to make sure that at least the core of that build is strong enough. So we're going to go with that. Hopefully it all checks out. So let me give it one more try, see if I could get all this out, and we'll see you in a minute. co-rollers. We're back inside the studio. We had a productive day, I have to say so. However, we did run into a little glitch. We got the timing cover out. We got obviously the oil pump out. We got the timing cover out. We got the cam out, and we were able to actually pull out the flex plate. However, right behind the flex plate, you still got some stuff. Unfortunately, when we put the engine on the stand, we were kind of in a little rush, so we put it on flywheel. It has the adapter plate, and it also has that little plate behind it, the thin sheet metal that goes together with your rear main seal. We did remove the rear main seal. However, we still do have the adapter plate as well as the the back plate on the engine. And we're gonna need to pull that out in order to get the crank out. But yeah, we were unable to pull out the crank. However, I'm not sad, I'm not mad, I ain't hating, because we did some work, and that's what's most important. If you guys get out there, even if you put on one screw a day, or one bolt, or take out a nut, whatever it is, you're doing something. Just remember that as long as you're trying and you're doing something, you're making progress, you're getting a better you for tomorrow. But yeah, I'm really stoked. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really stoked to see the final results. However, it takes forever, yes, I know. But hey, you know what? I'm having fun at it. I'm learning while I'm at it. Keep in mind, guys, this is my first diesel build. Now, when I say first diesel build, I mean that I'm doing, because obviously the dually had a couple things done to it. However, that was mainly bolt-ons, so nothing too extensive. However, this time we're going a little bit more in depth, and I'm going to be putting my knowledge into the whole mix of diesel to see how it all brews up. But yeah, I'm really stoked. I'm looking forward to see what's going to happen in the future with this build. I am looking forward to just breaking ground. This is basically breaking ground for me when it comes to the diesel world. And my main goal, to be honest with you guys, my main goal here at Po' Boys Diesel is to actually bring the diesel community together, so that way we could get stronger and get united. That way we could grow faster. And what I mean by faster is, yeah, we have events, yes, we have all that stuff that goes on for diesel trucks and whatnot, but it could be better. It really can, and it's gonna grow, and that's my goal. I want to make this grow. I want to help out in every way I can. So yeah, that's basically where we're at today. We did like I said, we pulled out the timing cover, the oil pump. We pulled out the camshaft. We also pulled out the flex plate. Now it's filled with cement. What's that going to do? Well, it's going to reduce the harmonics, and it's also going to fortify. You know, it's going to make your sleeves strong. I am looking at the one from Irate Diesel that they're carrying. They sell it for from Swamps. Yeah, Swamps sells it. They make it, I guess, and Irate Diesel sells it, distributes it. So we're looking at that one. So that way we could do heads and block. And we're also looking at the main girdle from them. Amongst other stuff. But yeah, I can't wait. I really can't wait to get these wheels rolling. It takes a whole lot longer because Saturdays are my days, and that's when I get to play and tinker with that engine. What you guys don't know is that the rest of the week I am just all over the place. But we get onto it. You know, we're gonna get everything going real good. Once we get that crankshaft out, I'm going to be taking it over to the machine shop. We're going to get some stuff done, and we'll see the progress from there. I believe I'm going to be showing basically everything that we'll be putting into the build. I know a lot of people keep their builds as a secret. However, I don't want to do that. helps. You know, so once the channel begins to get monetized, that'll help us to also bring more stuff, cooler stuff, better stuff, and go to other places, do more events. I mean, we went to Diesels in the Swamps, what was it, February, something like that, March, and we had a blast there. However, you know, we're getting started with the channel, so we're still learning the ropes. We're getting to meet people. We're looking forward to doing some collab work here pretty soon. So that way you guys can meet a couple of the guys here and definitely have some fun at it too. But yeah, also, anybody that has a company, you know, that's diesel related or whatnot, that sees an opportunity to help out a channel, in other words, sponsoring the channel, we are looking for sponsors. So definitely, if you're looking to sponsor a channel, we're here. We're really wanting to get sponsored. We want to try to, get involved a little bit more with whatever's out there for the diesel community and, you know, personal stuff as well. I mean, we're going to do a little bit of everything here, you know what I mean? So we really appreciate it if there are any vendors out there that are sponsoring. You know, I've met quite a few of you guys. I know we don't have those big numbers that everybody that's been on the game for 2-3 years has, or they've had that, you know, that little extra push. You know, so we're starting off, we're doing it, you know, YOLO. So basically, we want to get up there. We want to try to help, you know, the community grow when it comes to the diesel world, and we also want to, you know, showcase new items, do reviews, check stuff out, try it out ourselves, and why not? Something that's great, we definitely want to promote it. We have no problems doing that. We really would love to, you know, join you guys, you know, that way we could all be aboard and definitely see the company grow as well as seeing the channel grow. So we're really poised. We're really looking forward to making new stuff and breaking new grounds every day. So if you guys are looking for someone to sponsor, Po' Boys Diesel, give us a shout out. I mean, our email is poboysdiesel@gmail.com. You can also visit our website at www.poboysdiesel.com. Pretty soon we'll be bringing some merch also, guys. So why don't you guys, I got a question for y'all. What kind of merch would you guys like to see from Po' Boys Diesel that you may be interested in buying? Let us know in the comments, and I really appreciate everything you guys do. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I love you guys. Let the coal roll.